Hello dear students, today we are going to start Lake Isle of Innisfree. First of all, we will discuss the title, the Lake Isle of Innisfree. Lake you understand very well, water body. Island of Innisfree. Innisfree is imaginary name of a place. So why the poet has chosen this title? Because he was very suffocated by the life which we have in cities. So he wanted to live alone on the Isle of Innisfree. He wanted to feel some peace in life. So the central idea of the poem is that the poem reflects on the tranquility of life. Tranquility means peace of life. In fact, living in a cottage is quite different from the fast and hectic, rushing life of cities. We can enjoy nature when there is peace of mind. When we live with nature, our mind is also peaceful. But the real peace is impossible in a city, because the city life is rushing all around us. We can see everyone is trying to rush, everyone is trying to get more and more money, and they have no rest. We can find it in a solitary place only. We can find peace in solitary place means a place where no hectic life, a place where no more people live. So the poet wanted to live in a lonely place. Theme of the poem. The poet says that he is going to Innisfree to build a small simple hut. He wanted to grow some bean rows and he wanted to have some honey bee hives. He wants to live alone in peace with nature. He has desire to enjoy slow pace of countryside living. Countryside means village life, away from city. At last, poet speaks that every night he hears the lake water lapping against the shore. The poet imagined all things. Actually, he did not go at any island. He is imagining the things. Clear? So, let's start our poem. This well-known poem This poem is written by William Butler Yeats. He is popularly known as W.B. Yeats, and he is Nobel Prize winner. And he has used imagination in his poems. So let's start. This well-known poem explores poets' longing for peace. We have discussed. And tranquility. Tranquility, I have already told you. Tranquility means peace. Peace of Innisfree. Innisfree is imaginary place, a place where he spent a lot of time as a boy. He is thinking like that he had spent a lot of time in peace. So he had spent a lot of time in Innisfree. This poem is a lyric. Lyric means a song. I will arise and go now. Let's start the poem. I will arise and go now. मैं अभी उठूँगा और जाऊँगा and go to Innisfree. So this line shows that he wants to go to Innisfree. He wants to go to a place where he could get peace, and a small cabin built there. Cabin means hut. A small hut he wanted to build there, of clay and wattles made. Wattle means like we have leaves in You can see in forest what we have: branches, trees, leaves. So by the tree branches he can made a hut. By clay means mud. 9 bean rows will I have there. It means he will grow beans. A hive for honey bees, and a hive, मधुमक्खी का छत्ता भी उसके पास होगा. So we'll continue this poem in the next video. Thank you.